Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another Minecraft Java video. Today we're going to take a look at the top 5 best Fabric Serilum mods for Minecraft Java Edition. I am on the latest version of Minecraft, which is version 1.18.1, and these are going to be the best Fabric Serilum mods that we can actually currently download. For those of you who don't know, Serilum is actually a mod creator, and they have created loads of Fabric and Forge mods for Minecraft Java Edition. On version 1.18 alone, they have created more than 100 Fabric and more than 100 Forge mods for Minecraft Java Edition. So do go and check out some Serilum Minecraft Java mods, especially if you guys are on Fabric or even on Forge. They do make some really nice mods, and I would highly recommend that you guys check them out. So these are going to be the top 5 best Fabric Serilum mods for Minecraft Java Edition version 1.18.1. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of these cool mods. Alright, so the first Fabric Serilum mod that I would recommend you guys check out is actually called Village Spawn Point, and as you guys can see, it says it sets the spawn point of a new world to always be in the center of a village. So whenever you create a new world in your Minecraft Java game on version 1.18.1, it's always going to put you in a village, and it can also sometimes put you next to a village, but the main point is you are going to have easy access to a village all the time. So if you guys are creating new worlds to play or do different game modes in, so you're always going to spawn inside a village. So let's go ahead and actually try that out. I'm actually going to go and exit out of this game, and I'm going to go into single player and then create a new world. So let's go ahead and click on create new world, and let's see where the game spawns us. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, we are now inside a village, and you can see the different villages over here, and this is really useful if you guys are looking to quickly have access to a village and set your spawn point inside a village. So definitely do check out the village spawn point mod that was created by Serilum for Fabric on Minecraft Java Edition version 1.18.1. The next best Fabric Serilum mod that I would recommend you guys also check out is called Villager Names, and this one actually comes straight after the Village Spawn Point mod, and this actually adds a name to a villager. So let's go back inside our game, and as you guys can see, all of the villagers have now got names, and in my opinion this really does add to that RPG type feeling. So if you guys are going to a village or different villages, then you can actually see different names on top of the different villages that you might actually go ahead and interact with. So it's a really cool mod. I would recommend that you guys get this mod if you want to give your villagers some extra names. I have also gone ahead and installed a health bar mod that actually shows the name on top of the villagers' heads. As you guys can see, if we go and have a look at other villagers over here, we can see that they have got different names as well. As you guys can see, the villagers have been given different names, as you guys can see. So if you guys are looking to make your game a bit more interesting and give those villagers some names and make it have a RPG type feeling, then I would recommend that you guys get the Villager Names mod for Minecraft Java Edition on Fabric for version 1.18.1. I am actually using the same mod on my Dark RPG mod pack, and I do think this is a really nice mod to have if you are looking for that RPG type feeling in your Minecraft game. So definitely do get the Villager Names mod for Minecraft Java Edition on version 1.18.1. The next best Fabric Serilum mod I would recommend you guys get for version 1.18.1 is actually called Starter Kit, and this basically gives the players who join the world for the first time some starter gear. So as you guys can see, this is a new world which I created earlier, and the starter gear which my character actually started with is a pair of boots over here, as you guys can see, and a shield, a wooden sword, and 9 pieces of bread, as you guys can see over here. So it's a really cool mod. You can actually configure this, so I can actually set different items. So when I do actually go ahead and create a new world, my character will have specific pieces of gear items. So let's go ahead and actually do that now. I'm going to go into first person mode here, and I'm going to give myself a few pieces of items over here, and then I'm going to go into creative mode over here and give myself some different items. So let me go ahead and give myself a golden sword. I'm going to give myself some diamond armor as well. I'm also going to give myself some additional food, so let's go ahead and give ourselves 10 apples and some raw beef as well. So let's go ahead and give ourselves 10 pieces of raw beef as well. I'm also going to give myself a wooden axe, so let's go ahead and do that now. Let's also give ourselves a torch as well. So let me go back into my inventory here, and I'm going to equip all of these items now. Okay, so I've gone ahead and equipped the diamond armor there. I'm also going to put all of these items in my inventory slot. Let's get rid of the wooden sword over here, and let's actually go ahead and make this our main weapon, as you guys can see over here. So as you guys can see, this is the current layout here that I've got. So I've got the golden sword, some bread, some apples, a wooden axe, some raw beef, and a torch as well. And I've got the shield equipped as well, and I'm also wearing the diamond based armor. So I'm now actually going to go into my chat, and I'm going to start typing in starter kit. So as you guys can see, it says starter kit. I'm going to give it a space, and then I'm going to actually write set. And this is basically going to set the armor for my character for any new world that I create. So I'm going to press enter, and as you guys can see, it says starter kit config updated. All new players will now receive your current inventory. So we can now actually go ahead and test this out. I'm going to now quit to title. I'm going to go to single player. I'm going to click on create new world. And now let's go ahead and create a new world, and hopefully my character should be wearing the diamond armor and also have a golden sword, as you guys can see. So as you guys can see, I do have all of the pieces of armor and weapons that I actually set for the starter kit. So as you guys can see over here, I've got the diamond based armor and the golden sword and all of the other items over here. So it's a really cool mod that you guys can actually configure your starter items this way. So if you guys are looking to create loads of different worlds, but you don't want to go ahead and keep on grinding for all of the different items, and you just want to start with a particular set of items, you can go ahead and do that with this mod, and you can actually set your starter gear with this mod. So definitely do get the starter kit mod for Minecraft Java Edition on version 1.18.1. The next best Fabric Serilum mod I would recommend you guys also get is called Grindstone Sharper Tools mod, and this mod basically increases the damage of your tools used on it. And basically it's quite simple. All you need to do is just get a grindstone and place it down, and then use a weapon or a tool and just sneak and press right click on the actual grindstone. As you guys can see, and it says over there at the bottom left, your tool has been sharpened with 32 uses. And now if I go ahead and actually use my tool on someone, so let's actually test this out on this villager over here. As you guys can see, it now says the sharpness is going down. So if you have a look at the bottom over here in the middle, it does actually tell me the sharpness uses, and it says 29, and if I keep on doing that, it will actually go down. So as you guys can see, it's now saying sharpened uses 22, and it's actually giving me a message there that says your sharpened tool has 75% of its uses left. So let me actually go ahead and wear that down to a 0. I might have to switch to a different NPC over here, so let's go ahead and do it on these guys. And as you guys can see, it's now going down, and now it should be 0. As you guys can see, it now tells me a message that says your tool is no longer sharpened. And now if I go back and actually do the same thing on the grindstone, so I'm going to do that again, I can actually re-sharpen my tool. So now it says your tool has been sharpened with 32 uses. So you can actually do this on your weapons and different tools, and it's really useful. It does actually make your weapons even sharper. So do go ahead and get this mod. This mod is called the Grindstone Sharper Tools mod, and it's made by Serilum, as I mentioned earlier, and it's a really cool mod to have on Fabric for version 1.18.1. The next best Fabric Serilum mod I would also recommend you guys check out is called Tree Harvester. And as you guys can see from the description, it says harvest trees instantly by chopping down the bottom block with fast leaf decay and sapling replacement. So let's go ahead and test this out now and see how it works. So I am actually now in survival mode. I do have a stone axe over here. So let's go over to this tree over here. Let's chop down the bottom block over here, as you guys can see, and it's actually gotten rid of the entire tree, and it's gone ahead and placed the sapling where the tree used to be. So that's really useful. Let's go ahead and try that one more time with this tree over here. So as I mentioned earlier, if I was just to chop down the bottom block normally, it would just chop it down and not do anything. However, if I was to actually sneak and then chop down the bottom block, then it would actually do that effect and get rid of all of the tree items and place down the sapling. So this is a really useful mod if you guys are looking to quickly chop down a tree and place the sapling down at the same time. Then definitely do get the tree harvester mod by Serilum for Fabric on version 1.18.1. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video, and hopefully you guys will check out all of the Serilum mods for Minecraft on version 1.18.1 on the Fabric mod loader. If you guys are on Forge, then you can also go ahead and get the Serilum mods on Forge. They do have more than 100 mods, as I mentioned earlier, and if you go to the main official Serilum's website, you will actually see all of the mods and their description on there, so you guys can decide which mod you guys want to check out. I will leave a link in the description so you guys actually can click on the link so that you guys can know where to go to and how to download all of these cool mods for Minecraft Java Edition on version 1.18.1. If you have any comments or queries about how to use these mods or where to get them from, then do leave them in the comment section below. I will do my best to try and help you guys out. Also, do let me know, out of all of these 5 mods, which one was your favorite and which one of these Serilum mods are you guys going to check out for your Minecraft Java game. Please also do subscribe to this channel to help support it, help it grow, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.